Okay, so what do you think? Which one do you want to use first? Which one do you think is important? Okay, so we can, let's say we can take photos at any time. It's not true because?
Because we can take a camera.
Okay. And let's look at our next point. While we wait for her, then she can tell us what her points are.
I think is children. No.
Let's use the education.
I don't understand where the idea is. We use smartphone for education.
Okay. Projects and homework.
I
So
think when children use the smartphone for education is not good because children can do their homework or their projects by their mind.
yes, or also we can use a computer still. We don't need a phone. Okay, so this is only against smartphones. It's not against computers. Okay, so let's see. We don't need smartphones for education because children need to learn to use their mind. If they need the internet, they can use a computer. Do you agree?
Yes.
Okay, good. So let's do one more. So maybe to keep in touch with loved ones. Okay, here she is.
I don't understand it.
Hello, Theo. Sorry about that.
Yeah.
Okay, so I've just been talking to Icy now. We've just come up with some points and then you can argue them, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so, okay, let's let Theo do these two and then we can carry on. So the first one, Icy, can you read it to her?
We can take photos at any time with a camera. It's more easy to take photo with smartphone, and I think it's more difficult to take with the camera.
Okay. And then we can also say, if you have a phone anyway, then you have to carry two things. You have to carry a phone and a camera. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Okay. One phone. Okay, because this is against smartphones. It doesn't mean that you can have an old phone. Okay. More difficult to take with a camera, and we can only have to carry one thing. Okay, I see. Your next point.
I don't think we need a smartphone for education because children need to learn to use their mind. If they need to internet, they can use a computer.
What do you think, Theo?
Teacher,
Yes? Oh, thank you. Sorry, I'm typing too fast here. Then I make mistakes. Okay.
Student or children can also learn with a teacher or with a smartphone, but I think study with a smartphone is easier and is faster.
Okay. Okay, studying through a smartphone is easier and faster. Okay, very
And
good.
and
Yes?
now everyone need to stay at home, so nobody can teach you.
Okay.
the teacher can teach students on online.
So okay. Okay, very good. And I see. What do you say?
Mm, um,
What did you said?
Okay, so now we have to argue another point. What else do you think is not true? So we can look over here. You said we can use social media for advertising and a business. How else do you advertise?
But I remember that I don't say this one.
Okay, okay. Which other one did you say?
Number 9, we can have access to the internet at any time to read about the news and current affairs.
Okay, okay. So I see. What do you think about that? Do you have to have a smartphone to read the news?
no, we can buy the newspaper
Okay.
to read it. And in the newspaper is have uh, enough information. So, but in the smartphone is we find the information.
Okay. It has enough information. But
It will be easier to read news on smartphone, and I don't think that And which newspaper is easiest because you have to go to the shop to buy newspaper and it will waste the time.
Okay,
You
very
can also
good.
at home sleep.
But
Well,
it have people like the people go around to buy them.
okay, very good. Well done. Okay, we've run out of time for today. Let's see, is there anything else? I'm not going to write it. Anything else you want to say to each other?
Yes, children are starting to be like a robot. It's not true. Smartphone can help students to be more creative.
What do you think, RC? So if you think of the word creative, what does creative mean? Like doing art and all of that. Can you do art on a cell phone?
No,
Okay, so what do you want to say to Theo? Well, she said that smartphones help you to become more creative.
no. Mm,
Is
Yes,
it true? It's not true because
it's not true because we can be creative in the arts like drawing. We can create creative many things to play.
okay, to do.
Yeah, to do.
Okay, good. Theo, do you have anything else to say? One more point each, and then we have to finish the lesson.
Yes, there are many apps to improve the creative for children, and some apps can help them to draw online and on their smartphone.
What do you think, RC?
Can you say again, Thảo?
There are some apps to help improve children that they are creative, such as drawing apps to help them draw, and it's easier to draw on apps than draw on a paper because it has more skill.
I think it's not true because when we are drawing on the smartphone, is very like is have a creative, but it's not
You can say, okay, you don't hold the pen. It doesn't help
not
you.
it's not beautiful, and when you draw in the paper, is you feel um,
Okay, when you draw on paper, you can see lots of them all at one time. You can see
yes.
all of your art. Okay.
But it will take so long when you draw on paper. If you have to paint, you have to move your hands a lot. But in the smartphone, you just need to touch it.
Okay, I see. Okay. We have both done very well today. You've both, I've saved the work that we've done, so I will ask so you can receive it and you can read over it. Okay, you both did very good today. Are you happy?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Have you done debating before? I can see,
No.
Teo, you've done debating before. Do you do it at school?
No, we don't have dating at school.
Oh, do you have debating club?
No, this is the first time.
Oh, okay. And Icy, have you done it before?
No.
No? Okay, but you both did very good today. Well done. Okay, so next time we will do a different topic. Okay. I will see you again. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
See you again.
See you again.
Goodbye.